Futr OS Electroluminescence Testing EL is an advanced diagnostic tool meticulously designed to assess the structural integrity of solar modules. Leveraging the electroluminescence phenomenon, our testing process allows for the visualization of current distribution within photovoltaic (PV) cells, aiding in the early detection of critical defects. These defects include microcracks, cell cracks, soldering defects, potential-induced degradation (PID), diode failures, and dead cells. Microcracks stemming from manufacturing, transportation, or environmental stressors are identified to prevent compromised electrical pathways. Cell cracks causing localized thermal damage are pinpointed to avert long-term performance issues. Cold soldering defects, which impede electrical conductivity, are detected to avoid power loss and potential fire hazards. Futr OS EL testing provides a thorough and proactive approach, ensuring the structural soundness of solar modules and optimizing their performance throughout their life cycle.